My brother done that article already. Now it's my turn.
Okay, but the true thing is, I did not copy that. I remember what I learned. So
How? Can you please share, because that was interesting.
It's because I had this app called Tim and Moby, and they had something about birds, and it said penguins are birds. White is used as camouflage. Black is used for camouflage. They're birds, but they can't fly. They live in Antarctica.
No,
They're
not all live in Antarctica.
Yep. Just on the south equator, and they're also the fast swimmers. So, Brad, your turn.
And you copy that in your
Head. I use my head
He
copy.
remember.
Yep, it's my head copy.
Yeah,
Brad?
he wrote this and he remembered it. Okay. Bradley?
My bird article is about hummingbirds.
Okay.
Hummingbirds are New World birds that constitute the family Trochilidae. They are among the smallest birds, most species measuring in the 7.5 13 centimeter range. That's very small. And they're the fastest. They beat their wings so fast it sounds like they're humming.
That's so cool. And because of that, we end up hanging.
Hummingbird feeder. And there's a bee hummingbird who always comes, and my article is about the bee hummingbird.
Okay, Kara's gonna share. All right, read yours.
I said the smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird. Hummingbird found in the Cuba. It feeds on nectar from flowers. Its eggs are smaller than peas.
That's so cool. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.